Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to change brightness on Windows 11 without activation, and I'll guide you through a few simple ways to adjust your screen brightness quickly and easily. Step 1. If you're using a laptop, look for the brightness buttons on your keyboard. Most laptops have dedicated keys near the top row that allow you to increase or decrease the screen brightness instantly, which is the fastest way to adjust your display. Step 2. Open the search menu by clicking the magnifying glass on your taskbar. Type in Settings and select the best result. This will open the main settings window, where you can access all system-related options, including display settings. Step 3. In the settings window, select the System option. This section contains all the important settings for your device, including display, sound, notifications, and power, so it's essential to go here for brightness adjustments. Step 4. Click on Display on the right side. This page shows all the options related to your screen, including resolution, orientation, and brightness, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. Step 5. Adjust the brightness using the slider under the Brightness and Color section. Moving the slider left will decrease the brightness, and moving it right will increase it, which helps reduce eye strain or save battery life depending on your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows 11 tips.